Dreaming of a luxury getaway to Bora Bora? Don't let the allure of peak season trap you into crowded beaches and sky-high prices. Instead, aim for the shoulder seasons, where the weather still sings but the crowds are a distant echo. This savvy timing lets you savor the island's serenity and indulge in its luxuries without the bustle. Next up, don't miss out on the treasure trove of local knowledge. Online resources are great, but nothing beats the insider tips from those who call Bora Bora home. Reach out to local travel agencies or residents on social media to uncover the island's best-kept secrets. From secluded beaches to hidden culinary delights, these insights can turn a great trip into an extraordinary one. Choosing the right resort is like picking a gem from a crown. Each shines with its unique features and ambiance. Privacy, exclusive services, and activities should guide your decision. Whether you're after a romantic hideaway or an adrenaline-fueled adventure, aligning your resort choice with your desires is key to crafting an unforgettable escape. Bora Bora's beauty isn't just in its landscapes, but also in its rich Polynesian culture. Don't overlook the chance to dive into the local heritage. Add traditional dance performances, market visits, and interactions with islanders to your itinerary. These cultural experiences will deepen your connection to this magical place, enriching your luxury getaway. Lastly, even paradise has its surprises. Unforeseen circumstances can arise, and being unprepared can turn your dream vacation upside down. Invest in comprehensive travel insurance, keep abreast of safety protocols, and have emergency contacts at the ready. This foresight ensures peace of mind, letting you enjoy Bora Bora's splendor worry-free. In conclusion, sidestep these common planning pitfalls for a seamless luxury getaway to Bora Bora. Embrace off-peak travel, seek local wisdom, choose your resort wisely, immerse in the culture, and prepare for the unexpected. Ready for an exceptional journey? Far and away, Adventures awaits to tailor your perfect Bora Bora experience. Embark on your unforgettable luxury escape today. Book with a Bora Bora specialist at Far and Away Adventures.